Splash the cash, understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and interesting English phrase, splash the cash. This expression is commonly used in English-speaking countries, and understanding it can add a splash of color to your conversations. Let's get started. The phrase, splash the cash, means to spend money freely and extravagantly. Imagine throwing money into water and seeing it splash. That's the vivid picture this phrase paints. It's often used when someone is spending a lot of money on things that are luxurious or not entirely necessary. Understanding the origins of phrases can often help us remember them better. The term, splash, has been associated with displaying wealth since at least the 18th century. It suggests the idea of making a big, noticeable impact, just like a splash in water. Over time, splash the cash became a catchy way to describe lavish spending. Let's see how splash the cash is used in sentences. 1. After winning the lottery, he decided to splash the cash on a luxury yacht. 2. During the holiday sales, many shoppers splash the cash on deals. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts to describe spending a lot of money. Understanding synonyms can expand your vocabulary. Here are a few synonyms for splash the cash. Splurge, spend lavishly. Fork out. These synonyms convey a similar meaning but can be used in slightly different contexts. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, splash the cash. It's a colorful expression that describes extravagant spending. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the nuances and expressions like these. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using English phrases with confidence. See you in the next video.